Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 series has been generating a lot of buzz, and it's expected to be officially unveiled at the early 2024 Unpacked event scheduled for January 17th. This event is a significant moment in the world of mobile technology as Samsung traditionally introduces its latest Galaxy S flagship phones during this event. In this video, we'll explore the details and features of the Galaxy S24 series, providing insights into what to expect from these highly anticipated devices. Samsung appears to be adjusting its marketing strategy for 2024, promoting new AI features as a key selling point for the Galaxy S24 series. These features include live translation, enhanced mic photography, and creative editing options. The company seems keen on emphasizing the AI-driven capabilities of these devices to attract buyers. The Galaxy S24 series includes three models: the standard Galaxy S24, the Galaxy S24 Plus, and the flagship Galaxy S24 Ultra. Galaxy S24 features a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340x1080, front-facing 12-megapixel punch-hole camera, rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the USA and South Korea, or Exynos 2400 in Europe. Offers 8 GB of RAM with storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB. Houses a 4000 mAh battery with 25 kW fast charging support. Connectivity options include 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14. Expected to launch in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Galaxy S24 Plus features a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120x1440. Front-facing 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. Rear camera setup similar to the standard S24 with a 50-megapixel primary lens, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the USA and South Korea, or Exynos 2400 in Europe. Offers 12 GB of RAM with storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB. Houses a 4900 mAh battery with 45 kW fast charging support. Connectivity options include 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14. Expected price around $1,050. Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3088x1440. Front-facing 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. Impressive rear camera setup with a 200-megapixel primary lens, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions. Offers 12 GB of RAM with storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB. Houses a robust 5000 mAh battery with 45 kW fast charging support. Connectivity options include 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14. Expected price around $1,250. In summary, the Galaxy S24 series introduces design improvements, enhanced durability, and a significantly brighter display. All Ultra models feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, indicating Samsung's strategic decision to offer powerful hardware across the lineup. While current S23 Ultra owners might not find compelling reasons to upgrade, these devices present an excellent choice for those with older Samsung S phones or those considering their first Galaxy S phone. As we approach the launch date, more details may surface and we'll continue to provide updates. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest information and feel free to share your opinions in the comments.